Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Cotton Creations. So today I am going to be doing a taste test with you guys. I was in Whole Foods and I came across a vegan product that I think is relatively new. I haven't seen them in there before. And that is these Kite plant-based spinach ravioli. So if you're interested in seeing how these taste, stay tuned because I'm very interested. Let's hop into it. All right, y'all, so the ravioli is in the pot boiling in some salt water. I'm gonna let it boil for about 6 minutes. It said you could do 4 to 6 minutes, so I'm gonna do 6. But I did want to show you guys when I'm gonna toss it in as far as the sauce goes. So I don't really feel like doing too much extra today, so I'm gonna keep it simple. And I'm gonna just use some spaghetti sauce, this Ragu Simply chunky garden vegetable spaghetti sauce. I'm gonna just toss the ravioli in that. Now, you know, a girl gotta hook it up. So I'm gonna put a little bit of oregano. Actually, I'm gonna put some Italian seasoning, which has oregano in it. Some garlic powder, some salt, pepper, and I like a little bit of spice. So I'm gonna add some crushed red peppers, or maybe some ground crushed red peppers. Between the two, that's going in there too. But yeah, so I can't wait till they're done so we can try them together. So let me go check on them. Be right back. So look, this spinach ravioli has almond milk ricotta in it. What? Okay, and the spinach. Now look, let me tell you something. Growing up, I hated ravioli. And as a matter of fact, I don't even really know if I like it now. But I think I hated it because it used to be the canned ravioli, and that just sounds terrible. But anyway, yeah, growing up in daycare, that's what they serve, and I did not like it. So hopefully this is better. So we got our sauce in there. Just gonna put the ravioli back in the pan. All right, y'all, so the ravioli is done. Here's a look. It smells good. I can't wait to try it. So yeah, let's get into it. That's what it's looking like. Let's see what the inside looks like. Oh, okay. Y'all see that? So looks like, yeah, the almond milk ricotta and the spinach. So let's go ahead and eat some. Lord bless this food. Amen. Oh, hold up. I like this. This tastes nothing like that canned ravioli stuff I grew up on when I was in daycare. This is really good. Come on, Kite Hill. It's flavorful. I mean, you know, I had to hook my sauce up, even though it came from the jar. Don't get it twisted, you still can hook it up. But the pasta tastes great. It tastes soft and authentic. And the spinach and the ricotta have a really great flavor. I think next time I might add, like, sprinkle some cheese on top, maybe Parmesan. This is almost reminding me of lasagna a little bit. I'm impressed.
Anyway, if y'all want to see more videos like this, be sure to head over to my YouTube channel, Cotton Creations. 2 words, no crazy spellings, just Cotton Creations. And in the meantime, till the next time, y'all be safe, stay your distance, wash your hands, wear your mask, and be blessed. I like it a whole lot. Ew.